Hello, here's how to open and close the Fastboot Mode on POCO X7 Pro. In order to go to the Fastboot Mode, first we need to turn off our device. So you want to use the power button and volume up button in order to open the power menu. There we go. And now, of course, we need to swipe up to turn it off. Once it is off, you need to press the power button and hold it until you see the POCO logo, and once you see it, you want to press and hold the volume down button. So let's press and hold the power button, and then immediately switch to volume down. And as you can see, right now we are in the Fastboot mode. We can see the text. In order to close the Fastboot mode, we need to simply press and hold the power button until the text is gone, the Fastboot text. So let's keep holding until it is gone. There we go. And we're gonna turn on the device again. And now, once it turns on, it will be back into the normal menu, normal mode, I mean. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!